Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on configuring email settings in the Bold BI server. Configuring email settings in the Bold BI server is essential for enabling automated notifications, dashboard sharing, password recovery, and scheduled dashboard delivery. It helps users stay updated with real-time alerts, share insights effortlessly, and automate dashboard distribution. In this video, I will show you how to configure email settings in the Bold BI dashboard server. First, let me open the email settings page in the dashboard server. This page contains the list of fields to be configured for sending emails. The email account field allows you to select the servers to which the dashboard server will send emails. Emails from Bold BI can be sent through the SMTP server or Microsoft 365 server. The SMTP server field specifies the remote SMTP server. SMTP is an Internet Standard Communication Protocol for sending and receiving email messages. This field specifies the port for the SMTP server. It sends and delivers emails and ensures secure transmission with SSL/TLS. By default, SMTP uses port 25 to accept emails from the SMTP server. Here you will see all the fields necessary to configure this server. The SSL field specifies whether the SMTP client uses a secure sockets layer to encrypt the connection. Now, let me show the other options available on the Microsoft 365 server. The authentication type field specifies how Bold BI verifies and connects to the email service. The default is OAuth authentication, which requires specific credentials. The tenant ID field is a unique identifier that links to your Microsoft Azure account, allowing Bold BI to access email services. The client ID field is a special code that identifies your Microsoft app and requests permission to send emails. The client secret field is a secure key that proves the app's identity, ensuring safe and authorized email sending. For this demo, I'm going to configure the email using the SMTP server. I enter the necessary values and enable the SSL checkbox. Next, click the Test Connection button. Then, I enter the email address to which the test mail needs to be sent, and click the Send button. The user will receive the test mail from the dashboard server. Now, let me show the other options on the email setting pages. Click the template on the email settings page. In Bold BI, you can use email templates by accessing dashboard server templates, and then create custom dashboard server templates. You can set the default template by clicking the Set Default button. Then click the View button to preview the selected template. Click the Create Template button. Create allows users to create custom templates by selecting a base template and modifying it to suit their needs. Edit allows existing custom templates to be modified to update their content and design. Copy allows users to copy an existing template for reuse and further customization. Mark as default allows a customized template to be the default for specific email notifications. Delete allows users to delete custom templates that are no longer needed. Click the logs on the email settings page. Email logs help track whether emails were successfully sent from Bold BI to the configured SMTP server. It includes details like sender, recipient, date, time, status, and errors. Click the Email Event drop-down to filter logs or view all events by default. You can also use the Date Picker calendar to filter emails by date range. Lastly, select the fields to filter the email logs, and click the Apply button. In this video, you have learned how to configure email settings in the dashboard server. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.